Tired of juggling multiple calendars and missing important project deadlines? In this video, we're going to show you how to seamlessly integrate your Jira calendar with your personal calendar, so you can stay on top of everything. First, go to your Jira project dashboard and navigate to the calendar view. You may need to click on Apps if it's not immediately visible. Within the calendar view, you'll find a Subscribe or Export button. Click on this option. This will allow you to obtain the link. This will reveal a unique URL or a variety of calendar export options. Choose the option that says something like Copy Link or Copy the URL. Now, let's switch to your personal calendar. Open your personal calendar application, such as Google Calendar, Outlook, or Apple Calendar. The process is slightly different depending on the calendar you are using, so check your calendar's help if you get stuck. Look for the option to add a new calendar from a URL or subscribe to a calendar. You will be in a section like Import and Export or Settings or a similar calendar configuration. Paste the URL you copied from Jira into the designated field. Add a descriptive name to identify the calendar and select a color to distinguish it from the others. Sync settings might include the option to set how often your calendar updates and how far back in time to import the events. Usually, a setting of every hour or auto-refresh is recommended to stay up to date. Once you've added the link, your Jira calendar events, including project deadlines, tasks, and meetings, will now appear alongside your other commitments in your personal calendar. Now you'll have all your meetings in one place and will be ready to conquer your day.